I have this connector that works on one of my tripods, and I needed a universal one, so I created a universal one for me, and this is the video about that. The universal connector is a little bit smaller and a little bit higher, just to fit everything securely. I used FreeCAD to create a part, and then I put it in Cura to slice it for me so that I can send it to the 3D printer. I think this will be enough connectors to use for future projects. This bracket I created, it is my bracket number 2, there is a video about it, and I'm going to use it with this connector. And I'm going to use this combination to test all 3 tripods to see if it is solid enough on each one. At this stage I'm just making videos with my cell phones, and this bracket works like a dream. Each time when I needed my phone to be held like an extra hand, I use this. So yes, it works well. There will be a link for the video at the end of this video. Now for the testing part. From here on I'm going to hold my cell phone in my hand and test all 3 tripods. Sorry for the shaking of the camera. The connector works well with each one. You will see it as you follow along. And remember to subscribe and follow me